What's up, everyone? What's up, Vincent? How you doing? Yeah, gold was crazy with the news release. Luckily, I was in the right side of it. Pretty good. Um, I caught the bottom from the bottom of this. I scaled in, and then I closed most of my positions on this candle here. I didn't get the whole push, but then I scalped it down, and that's it. But it was pretty good. New policy about banks sending IRS audits for any deposits over 600. That's very unfortunate. For what? For Forex or trading in altogether? So, Biggie. Yeah, but the bank accounts, what is they like? What is it? So if I just throw random $600 in my account, they're gonna the IRS gotta hear from it. That sucks. I don't know. That's news to me. Yeah, that's what it is. It's 10 grand. That's what. But hey, I mean, shit. It's always a way around it. Just saying. So we got some news tomorrow. I don't know if gold's gonna really push today. I want to see it push. Nah, yeah, it's definitely ridiculous, but we'll get someone else in and they'll change those laws and so on and so forth. Same song and dance. Yeah, I mean, nah, without a doubt. I mean, I pay taxes, so they know how much goes in. Whatever goes into my bank account, that's taxed. But there are ways around it. Not everything you gotta get. You gotta, you know. So I want to see if we're gonna go up to around like 1798 area today, possibly, before coming down, or are we gonna go from like possibly 90, 91 maybe. If we go up to 98, I'm looking for when we come down like the 85 into this order block by tomorrow. During NY. I mean, I think we're hitting that with the news because we got quite an interesting day. Yeah, UD news coming up at 9:30. Alright. We got core retail sales, unemployment. So 8:30 is gonna be, and it's all dropping 8:30. So let's see. They're expecting good numbers. Not there. So core retail. So I believe it's the greater. Yeah. So they're expecting our core retails to go down, but that's no surprise. They cut all that unemployment shit. So motherfuckers ain't sitting around spending shit no more.
Hello, hello.
Oh. Hey.
Morning. How's it going?
Alright, how are you?
I'm good. So what's the plan?
Um, to buy, then sell again.
Oh, so first buying?
That's what I like to, but it's showing me sells because it's going up. I mean, I'm looking for two target areas. I want to see what they're gonna do. One of them, and for sure, we're gonna come to see tomorrow.
Which one?
1785 area.
Tomorrow.
During news.
Oh, you mean New York? Okay.
Or you're today.
Yeah. I was like, why is he planning for Friday already? Okay, 1785 and 98, 99, somewhere there. Two things, right?
Yeah.
It fell off quite a bit. 89, not exactly.
I mean, 98, I
But
think, is a more strong number. That's why I was gonna buy first.
yeah, but yesterday's drop was 1790.8, so we can say 90 point, yeah, 90.8. So I was expecting 93, 92 area initially, which was there, and then it dropped a bit more. So I'm trying to see which one it is going to be this time. So if it has to go down in the evening, right now they'll take us a bit up.
Yeah, like so based on this and based on other confluences, they line up to where we're gonna come down and then go up. Now that I'm looking at them all together.
Okay, makes sense. But I don't see 1808, 1810 anymore in the picture. Can you see? There's been a change in the
Yeah,
whole price function.
yeah, but because we're shifting down after this news, so is it just because of this news, or is it we're really done with 18s for a while?
I think we're gonna be, yeah, that's one thing.
Which I am perfectly okay with. I just want to.
Yeah, but I'm trying to, analyze the bigger picture of what's happening in 4 hours. If you look at the structure, and that area has not been. I think we should go up a little more before going down. You know why, Mitch? Because where we tapped into and fell again very quickly was only the base on 4 hour right here, like wick, touch, and down. Not exactly proper, what do you call it? Proper retracement to this area. You see, this one was very strong rejection from this area, and it's been a very important level. If you look at even last time we came on this area and then we got rejected, and then we have been respecting this all throughout, and then we came back, reacted to this zone, and then quickly went down. So it was not like any structure, this structure that was ever even halfway, we say, we came down to or tested it. That did not happen. So maybe it was an easy move and everybody was anticipating that we're going there before. So that's why if you also check check it, many buyers were already set up, and it was very easy that the price come down here, reaches this area, and go up. So I think it was very predictable for everybody. They just ran away. Instead, they pushed it down, and now their actual destination maybe is still here, or one more tap down here, or this time even seven. I thought by the end of this week we will be at 76, but there is no news tomorrow. Today they have very, very much red folders.
Yeah, we got. Where is the red folder AUD news at 9:30
8:30.
a.m.? Yeah, 9:30 AUD is.
Yeah. Many. I think there are two red, two orange, one yellow later.
Yeah, and there's no. Nah, I won't mess with gold.
Huh?
The AUD news tomorrow or today. We got unemployment and employment rates at 9:30 this morning.
Oh,
Which are crazy numbers.
for unemployment?
Yeah. For employment change. 2.2K to negative 78.5K. It's like the entire fucking yeah. My 71's coming.
Wow, that's a good job.
Good morning.
Money.
Question. Which Zoom link has got Mitch's chart on it? I'm still looking at Michelle's chart.
Oh, are you? This is the link, right? Are we running two Zoom?
Which link where did you get the link from?
It's on WhatsApp. Yesterday's next link.
Oh, yesterday's WhatsApp. Okay. Rightio. Yeah, 71's coming for the Australian dollar. Particularly once Governor Lowe starts speaking. The unemployment rate should be higher because everybody's in lockdown and losing their jobs. That would make sense.
Yeah, but I can't. I'm waiting for that shit to drop. Oh, here we go. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. When do we close? When to close? When to close? Are we pushing this whole way down? I closed some. I don't know if we're gonna keep. I don't know if we're gonna make a lower on this hour.
Oh, finally made it. I caught that drop from 94.86.
What's up, Professor? Pippage. Well, took a quick. So, Professor Pippage is asking, what's the setup? I took a sell.
Oh, you caught it at the top?
Not at the top. I'm at 74.89. I secured some here.
I got it at 794.86.
Oh, you're right. Right below me.
Yeah, just got a runner. See what happens. Practicing my scalping. I want to get like Sasha.
Them 1,000 pip runners.
Like that. Bread and butter.
I want to get 17 scalps with that 100% success rate. That's pretty good going.
It was 30 by the end of the day, and still, thankfully, 100% success rate at 1,900 or 800. No, 1,965.
Yeah, that's excellent. I got up. I woke up about 4 a.m. this morning after my horrendous night with the second vaccine.
Yeah. I remember. How are you feeling? Any better?
I feel fantastic. I just had a real bad headache.
All right.
It just knocked me out. I was just taking. I took some Codral cold tablets actually, and it knocked me out, which was pretty good.
It's good that you rested at these type of.
Oh yeah.
take more and more rest and do nothing about it. Just
Exactly.
relax because it's gonna go itself. Maximum painkillers, body pain. If you're having a lot of fever or something like that.
Yeah, I didn't have any fever. Just had the headache. Just a pain in the ass. Well, pain in the head anyway. Mm. Oh, nice drop on gold.
Yes,
Well,
yes, it was, and it just continued dropping. At that time, I don't want to mess with it. I tried to scalp and buys a few times, but it was not too
yeah,
working with me. I was like, never mind, I know what it's doing now.
yeah. Well, I just started trying to get some scalps going, and I changed my 5 minute candles to bars. Rather than using candles, I'm just using bars.
Wow, are you?
Yeah, I just I've used them before, but I just noticed that it's for me. It's just easier to see the open and close better of each candle. I don't know.
Wow.
Um, I'm just playing around with it anyway. Just have a look.
Oh, gee, that makes sense.
Get a clear picture of each candle and where it sits with the previous candle or previous bar.
Mm-hmm. I cannot. It's awkward. I'm like, oh, don't get it because my eyes are not used to that at all,
Yeah,
and I'm like, hell, I'm running away.
yeah. Well, there's support here at 93. It's 93 area, but I'm wondering if it'll break through that and go back down to 90, 91, 1791, 85.
Yeah, because we have to maybe retest that area
Yeah,
before we maybe go back retest the highs. So it's trying to, turn if it is, and it can sit here and take all its time to London. You never know.
yeah. I mean,
To do that little thing.
that was a pretty big 5 minute drop.
Let's go. Professor Pippage is saying gold is one of his struggle bolts. How do we trade it? Stop support resistance patterns. It's easy. I mean, it's price action and a pattern for me.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Structure has helped me a lot to learn, by the way. And also, then we got our supports and conferences, but structure itself has helped me a lot. Looking at it, trying to see the bigger picture, because this is always a question. We identify the zones, but we're like, which way first? So that boggles your mind at times. You're like, which way first?
Even 1783 by
Mm-hmm.
by tomorrow. 1785.
85. Okay, yeah.
Quite doable.
Are we gonna go up, retest 1800 area, 1800ish by then, or
I think because when was it? A couple of days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. 1804 or 1803, 90, around that area. Then yesterday, or the day before yesterday, it went up to 1808, faked out, and then spiked up yesterday at 1806. Now it's coming down. I feel like it's sort of done with that area. Just keeps
With the top side?
for now. Yeah. I mean, could hit 1450 by tonight. Who knows?
Yeah. Makes sense.
1450.
Yeah. Always makes sense, because when we can do that once before, I never say no to you.
Not tonight, Josephine, but 1785 could be in play. I mean, if you look at the 4 hour, you've got only 2 bullish 4 hours. Depends on how this 4 hour ends, I guess. You've got that 1, 2, the second one with a huge spike up and fake out coming back down, and then the next one with a spike up coming back down. So you've basically got 3 nasty 4 hours in a row. Tiny little bullish one before that, and then another bearish one. And now you've got these 2 weak bullish 4 hours to the upside, and we'll see how this 4 hour ends if it's bearish. Continues bearish. But it's already broke the previous 4 hour low, which I get takes it into
But if I look at the daily candle yesterday did not close below the previous one, or even higher than the previous one. So I'm like, the body as well as the wicks, and I'm like, okay, it was absolute range that we respected.
Because it closed, but it also closed below. Well, today's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. It closed below Monday, last Friday, last Thursday, last Wednesday, and it's already made an upper wick today. Doesn't mean it's not going to just make a lower wick, go back up. But I don't know, 1790 looks possible. I got a runner, so we'll just wait and see.
Yeah. In 1790, 91, that area does look good to me, but that's the retesting the lows from yesterday right now. But then we can go back up halfway, usually fill the candle halfway at least, and then come back down to make lower lows, I mean, if we have to.
Yeah. We'll see.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we're heading to 91 or 91 and a half.
It's down, just now. A new 15-minute candle has just pushed to get about pips there.
Anyway, that's my little analysis. For what it's worth.
Of course, it's always helpful.
I'm determined to set the alarm and wake up for New York session. That's where all the action is.
Today, please do, because there is a lot of red folder.
Get caught up in that. I wake up at 4 a.m. and I notice there's always a trade around that time. You can always scalp.
What's your 4 a.m. means? What time is that?
In New York?
Yeah.
9:30.
3 hours before close. So it's 9:15 in New York, and it's 11:15 here. So 2 hours difference. So 4 a.m. is 2 in the afternoon in New York.
2 in the afternoon.
Yeah, and there's a lot of action then.
Really? Alrighty.
There's a lot of setups that happen around that time. There's at least, you can usually get at least one setup.
Yeah, I'm trying to. You're 3 hours ahead of me, right?
I think I'm 2 hours ahead of you. What time is it in Perth? It's 9:15 in Perth.
Yeah,
It's 11:15 here, so 3 hours. Yeah, no, 2 hours. 2 hours.
2 hours. And then when you are talking, so that's like to a 2 a.m. at my end. 4 a.m. your time.
Exactly.
And you see a lot of movement at that time, volatility.
Yeah, there's it'll make a small high and then drop, or it'll make a low and then come up. It'll retest areas, and it'll make a nice M pattern on the 5-minute or 15-minute. You can usually get 15, 10 to 20 pips.
Easy. And because you have seen what was happening, so it's easier. What happened the whole day, it's easier at that time.
Yeah, you see what's already gone before. If you look at cancel it. 4:30 a.m. 4:30, exactly 4:30 a.m. There was a bottom at 1790.87, and then rallied, then made a retracement, and then rallied up again to 1794.50 ish.
I get what you mean, man.
Yeah. So it retested that bottom.
Area.
1791, but it faked out and dropped down a little bit and then pushed up hard.
And that's like only 2 hours or 1.5 hour. Yeah, 2.5 hours before the close, is it?
Yeah. And that happens pretty much every day. Something like that. 4 a.m. the previous day made a high, little doji at the high at 4:15 a.m. and then dropped. It dropped 35 pips.
Wow.
So there's trading there at that time. So that's around 2, between 2 and 3 New York time. At 5:30 a.m. my time, it made a bottom and then went back up 20 pips. Made a little M formation and went up 22 pips. So it's not a bad time to scalp.
No, it's good.
You just pick your entry carefully, unlike how I usually pick them.
Come on.
I mean, it's easy to tell you this after the fact, but there it is.
Look who's talking. Oopsie.
All right, I'm going to make some coffee.
Sure. Alright, that's something not too bad.
I'm still on Michelle's chart. I still don't have.
Where are you looking at her chart?
Well,
Is it Michelle on Zoom?
I looked at the Zoom link. WhatsApp.
Sorry, I'll just shut up my mobile. Making too much noise.
It comes up.
So this is Mitch's chart, right, Mitch? This is your chart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't see that. I see Michelle's. I got the Zoom from the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
You're talking to me, so you're looking at this part, but maybe you're looking on YouTube. Are you?
No, I'm not on YouTube.
How is that possible?
Yeah.
Oh, because no, because you can switch the screens. So at the top, you must be having.
I'll make the.
Yeah.
It says you're viewing Michelle's screen, view options.
Yeah, view options. Now you can see Mitch's chart.
Yeah. Well, nothing yet, but yeah.
Mitch, you took your chart away.
Yeah, I had to take them both off.
I see.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I see it now. Thanks.
No worries. Now I know. I was like, how's that possible? There's only one way because she's sharing her screen too.
Well, no, it's just gonna piss me off. Alright.
Mitch,
Yes.
you in buys?
I did take some buys right here. 1793.04.
Oh, that's good. My price is almost equal to y'all's now. That's weird. That's weird.
Alright, I'm still on the fence. I think I do want to see us come down into here. But let's see.
I'm seeing down there too.
I did secure some.
For the buys, right?
Yeah. I closed myself.
Asian session has gotten so slow.
There's news in the evening.
Cause we made
Good
it.
news.
We made it too popular. Now everybody's coming, so they don't want to give us them 150 pips.
Some now, some later.
Come on, I didn't secure enough. Don't go back down.
Wow, nice push valve. That's a good one.
Oh, I just noticed my runner got stopped out. Okay, whatever. There goes my dreams of 1791.
No 1450.
No 1450 today.
I just closed most of my buys.
I was just watching videos of the NFL. Aaron Rodgers laid an egg on Sunday.
I took a little bit more off just in case.
Off the buy?
Yeah, I closed some, then took some off again, and then I'm taking some off again because it went last time. I went down too far, and I didn't like it.
So why are you not taking a sell here?
I did take a sell, but I'm taking off my buys.
Oh, you did take a sell. Okay. I was like, okay, usually you take a sell here.
I'm in 1794.85. I think I had that price yesterday or earlier today. I think I sold that before. That number sounds vaguely familiar.
Ow.
Maybe not. Oh, I forgot. AUD news was happening. How did those numbers come out?
Continuing to push down. Ooh, check out the push, Mitch.
Yeah. Damn. Employment change 146 negative 146,000
Just now?
for AUD.
That could have an effect for the temporary account. Yeah. So it's a bad number? Like really bad?
Yeah, like negative 146,000, and they were projecting negative 78,000.
Didn't move the Australian dollar at all.
Oh, it didn't move though.
No.
I thought I was sitting. I thought my TP. I was gonna go look, and TP was hit at 71.
Thumbs up.
Okay.
It was just sitting at the same spot.
Wow.
It's going to come down though. Come on now.
But are there that many people unemployed right now?
Oh, they just make up the numbers, whatever direction they need it to go in. They just make up some numbers.
Really?
I don't know. I don't know how they get. I don't know where they get the numbers from. Just see.
What do you mean? It's the data that collected, right? That's collected previously in there.
Yeah, I mean, I guess they count the people who
Paid them?
claim the dole. Go on the dole. Thank God we got the dole here.
Now you can what time frame is this? 5 minutes? Now you can draw the channel match. Something like that where we are moving at the moment.
I didn't know I was drawing the channel.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to do who to the what now?
No, I'm just waiting for the support and resistance to form so that we know within what range we're moving at the moment.
Cody, I know you're there. Where's your channels? Is your channel, do you like Sasha's channel?
Is he there?
I don't know. Normally they are.
Yeah, and sometimes
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, something I look at it, Mitch, a little higher at the top, yeah, because I want to see if.
Well,
it's
then
taking
if we
high,
do higher, then that only taps once. That can't be nothing taps that one.
Then you have to move right this one a little bit down. Yeah, this corner. Match it up and match this one right here. Maybe you can. Only one side, yeah. If you use this one, then it's gonna take the whole line up and down, I think. Yeah, something. Erase my drawings. You got it, I think.
Yeah, with that one, I like a little better because they touch here and then they touch here.
Mm-hmm.
This one, we don't get no touches.
Okay.
I don't know. It just because it doesn't come up
Maybe
to it.
have
I don't like it.
plus minus, you know, it cannot be like absolutely
Oh,
correct with that.
we have to because it's annoying me.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's supposed to touch the
I
top,
don't
right? That's
know.
supposed to be a channel, right? It's supposed to come up and down and up and down.
I usually have sometimes if I just have one line that is like that. I'll just draw my confluence, including like this, just one line here, so that next time I have an idea if it is making a lower low or is it just high above this line and we're okay. Just to see that are we having the big structure or something at that of that time.
I feel like every Asian candle has been like this. Which I'm not complaining when you sell it and buy it and you get most of the wick, but it's still like, can we like print something the fuck out?
They're rejecting it hard now. That's all Asian is gonna range, no fixed direction.
Come on, you can push down further than fucking this. The fuck?
Oh, you mean the entry that you said for itself earlier? I think it's gonna do that. New 15-minute candles about to start in 30 seconds.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Close just a little bit more. Come on, a little bit. Nice, thank you.
You came out?
No, I wanted to ensure that I'm holding these because I got two positions right now, and I didn't take nothing off of them.
Oh.
Oh shit, I'm fucking tired. Yeah, fuck it, I'll take one more.
Seriously?
Once it pushes up a little bit more. Like halfway. Just a little tiny smidgen. You're holding too long, I'm not taking it. That's holding up there way too long.
Oh, so that's another indicator. If it holds too long, you're not interested.
I mean, it's just making me weary. Why are you gonna hold it there for so long to let me get in. I could go make a sandwich and come back and still take the sentry.
That's a good way of looking at it. I can see my birds flying on the trees outside, around neighbors and everywhere. Enjoying the rain.
They just be flying around through the neighborhood. The neighbors don't get mad.
Now, how can they be mad at birds? They cannot control birds.
Well, I guess.
It's
That,
a
guess it's on.
vibrant color, blue and yellow. So it shows from anywhere that it's them and they are rare in the area. So, complete bright yellow, like Tweety you see in the cartoon.
Yeah. Is that the one that's always yelling?
No, that's another one. Coco. She is an attention seeker. Loves to have your attention and play.
I think we're making a gap in 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, what the fuck's going on? I was about to say, Jesus Christ.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Yeah, it's that whole. Alright. Well, I guess that's a good indicator that fucking nothing is gonna happen today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done at this 10 o'clock candle. Ain't shit happening. Prices like normally in this last 10 minutes we get some kind of push. It's not even shit. Don't even want to fucking move.
I'm just reading Steve's message, Steve Screen. He just said this morning at 9 o'clock, just got out of third operation, been really struggling with serious infections in lung cavity. I'm up to my eyeballs in a cocktail of ketamine, morphine. Aw, he's taking all these high doses of IV painkillers, hoping that this operation to remove the infected fluids will be the one that enables me to get back home to my family. It's been stuck there since ages.
Yeah, it's been what, like 3 months? 2 months? Two
Yeah.
months? Not 3 months. It's been like, what, 2 months? A month and a half or something?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Steve, hopefully you get better.
Yeah.
And on a side note, I hope you're enjoying that cocktail you got going on.
That's funny. Probably making all kinds of trades on that cocktail.
Oh, man. If you could even hold your phone. Or the computer, whatever you're trading off of. I have to take another sip in this last 5 minutes. I don't know. Let's go.
Oh wow, check out the move up. That's been like going to my 200 moving average first and then maybe thinking of coming down.
See, we're at my 200, so I was like, let me take it now because we're pushing down. But again, price is holding annoyingly up here.
Yeah, that's the thing. So this is the actual move which came at the last minute of this hour.
Perhaps we're walking until we get to the top of the hour. Hopefully, man. Hopefully.
Now we do extend it. We gotta come down now.
it's about to touch the top of that channel. Should we sell it?
I don't know. I've been selling.
You've been selling?
Yeah.
Wow. Because I'm looking at it. It hasn't touched the top on here, but it's very bullish at the moment, and it's respecting, just making higher highs. Sometimes I wanted to react to this moving average, the 200 moving average on at least M5. Otherwise, it's going to be the 200 moving average on M15. If it wants to do that. Where it doesn't look like it, but let's see. It's a new first minute of the new hourly candle. Can come back, retest, and then continue.
Well, 3 pips in profit. Don't tell nobody.
I really like that. 3 pips in profit.
It's a trade secret to get that many pips in an hour and a half.
Seriously.
3 pips with
Nothing.
100 lots. That's you can call it a day.
But would you be able to? Cause your commission gotta be fucking crazy.
Well, commissions would be what, $700? Yeah,
Yeah.
roughly. Yeah, 560 for me.
It would be, well, it would be 350 in, 350 out. So for me.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah.
But
3 pips, you'd be in profit. Yeah. A few $100. Now, if it goes against your 3 pips on 100 lots, then you got problems.
after this 15-minute close, I'll be done. Cause ain't shit happening for real, for real.
Mm-hmm.
We're staying in this range. We're yeah. 36 pips in an hour. That's it. What the hell?
But 36 pips it's really nice.
Yeah, I didn't catch all the 36 pips, so.
I thought you were saying you got them
No.
with your scalps upside down.
Oh, with my scalps, yeah. But the whole candle's only 36 pips.
Yeah, the candle was hardly 36 pips. So how many pips have you caught in scalps? Do you look at that in that way?
Yeah, I do add them up like that.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I gotta go to my phone. I don't got it open on my computer. Got what? 32, 40, 3.2-ish.
See, that's not too bad. So out of 36, you probably 30.2, which hardly, we would say there was a move on gold. A nice, simple move, hell no.
Yeah, but that was out of 5 trades. Wasn't even 10 pips a trade, if you think about it.
Because it wasn't a big move. Hardly 3 pip, 4 pip, 5 pip, 7 pips.
Yeah, it was 7 pip, 6 pip. Except for that one. That was 32 pips. No, we're not doing Andrew. He's just Sasha is, but no one else is.
What? Hell no. No. I don't. I'm just making hardly 1,000, 2,000 a day. So how can that be hundreds of lots?
No, she says 2,000. We are talking about pips, guys. That's what she gets. So
Right.
you have runners for hundreds of pips a day. Because at the end of the week, they're 1,000 pips.
I still have runners from on my other account from 1717 still alive.
I know, and we took that trade together, and I didn't hold.
Yeah. I remember that one. So I still have 2 runners of that on another account, which I sometimes switch on to have a look if everything is okay.
Right.
Check out the 15-minute candle, the 30-minute candle right now. It's just so tiny as compared to the bullish candle. That is amazing because it's used us to take scalp it all the way up and down, up and down. I think, Mitch, that we should be going upwards. And the actual move is going to be around New York. Will take us maybe 98-ish, 10, 20, 30 pips more from here. If we push back down at that time. By then, I mean to say. And then with the news, we might come down to 89 area. What do you think about this move? Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
And I could see that. Clear as day.
What?
It
Oh, you
coming
do
up.
this. Let me have a look. So you... Yep. Well, 82. Wow. Okay.
Well, I just want that number. That's why I drew it that down there. We ain't got to go down there on that.
Oh, good.
Unless it wants to. I mean, I ain't gonna be mad at it.
You never know. Maybe 85, 82, anything.
As long as it don't come up to 17.99 before going to it, I'm cool.
You have a runner from there?
Yeah. So slow.
Oh yeah, I'm getting off.
Yeah. Alright, everyone. I don't want to keep fucking sitting here for nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing much happening.
And keep telling myself, oh, it's gonna push. We're gonna get a nice rush. It's slowing to just push. It's getting waiting for it. Yeah, no, it's gonna come here, bounce, then bounce, then bounce, then bounce, then bounce, and it's gonna just keep printing these until it gets smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
And then London, 1 o'clock my time, you'll get a nice push.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much, Mitch, for sharing the link.
No problem. See everyone in the morning
See ya. Bye bye.
or evening or night, wherever you guys are.
Yeah. At your respective time.
In NY.
and wire. Done before the news.